Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix heating problem in your Infinix smartphone if your device heating very uh, regularly, or how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings option, then you have to go to app management, and here you have to go app list, and you have to close background data. It will delete, it will stop background activities working on your phone. You can see, like, click on this, you can see storage and cache. First you have to clear the cache. First you have to open any of the app, just click on it, and you can see the clear cache option. Clear this cache like this, then go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. You can see this background data option. Enable usage of mobile data in the background. It will stop the background data working. You have to just disable this option. Press back and you can see some of the settings, like this Android system web view. You have to first clear the cache like this and go to mobile data, then you have to back off the background data. Some of these apps Android accessibility suite, and you can just go to storage and cache and then clear cache. It will not heat your smartphone. And you can go for installed apps like this, clear cache. This will not heat your smartphone. After all these steps, when you just clear the cache and installed apps of the background data, press back. You have to go to the software update first. If you have not updated your software, go to about phone or my phone, and here you find update, you can see, or you can go to search software update. You can type here, you can see this update. You can go to search bar also, or you can go to system. Here it is a system update. Click on it and click on online update. You can see, click on check for update. If there are any update, it will show up on here, and you can see last your system is up to date. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.